So you can see the P500 just spiked just as predicted, because market touched the oversold. Whoa, 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 whoa. Market just touched the oversold zone, which I told you that it's going to spike at that level. And you can see we had the first spike and another massive thunderous spike. Wow. So this strategy is killing, guys. This strategy is killing, guys. You can see it yourself. You can see it yourself. Okay, guys, let's catch some spikes right here. I want to show you guys how to catch spikes live with this strategy. Okay, so I'll be buying from here. At this point, I'll be buying from here. This is B1000. You can see here we have the green indicator, which is the CCI at the level 10, and also have Ichimoku at level 15, right? So this is a perfect setup for us to buy at that point. So I'll quickly buy and get some to catch some spikes, right? So remember I told you, whenever market gets to a point like this, this the oversold level for boom at this point, which is level 15, and the CCI at level 10, then you open a position. So as we open a position, once we have a spike, this is what's going to happen. We're going to have the markets to this level. So okay, let's go. One lot size, two places. Let's go. So now when you open a position like this, okay, when you open a position like this, what you need to do now will be knowing how much you're willing to give or how many candlesticks. So at this point now, I know that in every 60 seconds I will lose like $1, right, in every 60 seconds. So what I'm going to do now will be in 10 minutes, if it does not spike in 10 minutes, then I'll close out, because I know when boom 1000 want to spike, always having a long spike. The spikes are always very long. So when it comes, it will close more than 10 candlesticks. All right. I'm not saying it doesn't spike, it doesn't give short spikes, but when it spikes, when boom 1000 want to spike, sometimes it spikes, covers like 20 candlesticks, 20 dots. So if I want to start counting this, you see that it's over 20. So when you want to spike, it will spike over 20 dots. So that's why I always keep it at 10. Once I pass 10 candlesticks and did not spike, I'm closing out. The number 11 candlestick, I'm closing out. All right. So please show some love, subscribe to this channel, our channel, for more great contents like this, and some good comments. Share this video with friends. Just do that for us, assist us, support us, encourage us, so that we will be encouraged to do more of stuff like this for you guys. Okay, so let me quickly show you guys the settings. So for those that hasn't joined the Telegram channel, join the Telegram channel, because so much is coming up right now. We're running a special discount. We have a special discount that is running on the platform, Xmas special that is running on the platform. So if you quickly join now, you will benefit from the discounts, right, for mentorship and VIP signals. So, and on the free channel, we give free signals as well, right? Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 indicators. The first indicator you're bringing in the RSI. Okay, RSI. The period here is 16, which is not really necessary because it's not shown, it's not seen on the chart. Okay, so you can decide to put it 0 or any number. Okay, so apply to typical price. All right, the levels here, we have the levels, which is 15, 85, 10, and 9. So the levels are really, really important. 15, 85, 10, and 9. Okay, click on go back, and here, if you're using white background, then you should choose white. Under style, you should choose white so that it does not show on your chart. All right, but if you're using black, then you choose black so that it won't be seen on your chart. Okay, so you click on done. Okay, so we just had a spike right there. I told you guys that it's gonna spike, and when it spikes, it's gonna take more than 10 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just 10 candles, right? So most times it spikes and takes 10 candlesticks, right? So when you open a position, you just need to count 10 candlesticks. If it does not spike, the number 11 candlestick should be your closing. That's how I do it. I'm not saying you should do it that way, but I'm just telling you most times it passes 10 candlesticks with my settings, with my indicator settings. If it passes 10 candlesticks, I'm out, right? So yeah, we just had a long spike there and we made some profit. Let me quickly close that out. Okay, so you can see how to use this strategy. It's very simple, very simple. Just wait for market to get to the oversold level and you catch the spike. So yeah, we just added our RSI, okay, which is the indicator window that we have in here, the indicator window we have in here. So the next thing we'll be doing will be adding the Ichimoku, right? This is it, Ichimoku. You click on Ichimoku on the indicator window 1, and you bring the Tenkan Sen is 6, Kijun Sen is 6, Senkun Span B is 52. You click and fill this level, right? Then these other ones where you have on that style, these other ones here are all white apart from the up Kumu and down Kumu. That's gonna be that will have color, that has color. Others doesn't have color, right? You click on done. Then the next thing we bring, the third indicator you're bringing in will be the CCI, Commodity Channel Index. Okay, you click on it, you open. The period is 460. 460 applied to typical price. Levels here we have minus 100, 100. It's not necessary because it's not shown. So under the style you're putting white if you're using white background, so it does not show. But if you're using black, you use black. All right, so you click on done, and under the style here you have I'm using, is that, do you call that yellow or lemon? Let's say lemon. Okay, so that's lemon, right? All right, you click on done. So that's, we have 3 indicators: the RSI, the Ichimoku, which is the red one, and the lemon color, which is the CCI. All right, so very simple for boom. Just need to wait. The zoom level is the third zoom level. You can use 1, 2. You can use this one if you're comfortable seeing. You can see everything completely. You can use this one, but if you can not use this one, if you think it's too tiny, you can use the third zoom level. So you can use second zoom level or the third zoom level, right? Then how do you catch spikes? You wait for market to get to the oversold level, which is the level 10. For this, CCI must touch the level 10. Then the Ichimoku must touch the level 15 for boom. Then you buy. You open a position there, and you know your stop loss. You know how much you're willing to lose, right? Then when you're catching spikes on a crash, you're selling from here, right down, right? So look at this. Same thing here. Same thing happened here. You can see the long spike. Same thing here. You can see the long spike that happened. You can see the long spike, right? Same thing here. You can see the long spike too. You can see the long spike. So every time, guys. So account management is open. If you have up to $200 above, you can bring for account management. Just know that the more equity you're bringing in, the more profits that we'll be getting daily. Then mentorship, the academy is open for new subscribers, new traders to come in. I would advise you not to start trading and investing money blindly here. You must learn. You must not learn from me. Learn from anybody, anyhow you want to learn. If you want to learn from YouTube, fine, but then just be sure of the information you're getting from YouTube or any material you lay your hands on, because if there's a way you learn and learn what you're not supposed to learn, and it will be a problem, right? So you should pay someone. You need a mentor, someone that knows, someone that's been into this system before, someone that has the idea, the experience to show you what to do. All right. Then signals, we're giving VIP signals. We join the VIP signals 2, 3 to 5, 6 signals, high probability signals every day. All right. So check the description of this video. All right, you see my link to join the free Telegram channel. Join the free Telegram channel and let's make money together. All right. Okay, that's it. Let's quickly check B500. B500 is gonna spike pretty soon. Once it touches that line, I love waiting for it. I want to see it touch the line and go below the line a bit, then we catch spikes. So you can see the B500 just spiked just as predicted, because market touched the oversold. Whoa, 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 whoa. Market just touched the oversold zone, which I told you that it's going to spike at that level. And you can see we had the first spike and another massive thunderous spike. Wow. So this strategy is killing, guys. This strategy is killing, guys. You can see it yourself. You can see it yourself. So we the best. Trust me.